everybody. We are back at it again. Gonna try to get some stuff done today. Got my hair cut. Got the boy Noah's haircut. He really needed one, so got that done today already. So it's time to get some work done. The weather is super nice. I really wish I had time to do some stuff outside today because it is super nice. So anyway, let's get to it. All right, so the main thing we're working on today is gonna get this trim put up at least one side up the stairwell and see how that goes. Got a few other small things to do, but we're gonna start with that, and there's some more finished work to do. So let's get to it.
Mommy, you got it, looking excited with that body. Mommy, you got it, yeah. Mommy, you got it, looking excited with that body. Mommy, you got it, yeah. First impression, she ain't nothing to mess with. Cinnamon skin, long legs, she's an obsession. Facial expression, looking slightly aggressive. She could make me her possession. Imagine her body on mine. I want her to want me tonight. Yeah, mommy, you got it, looking excited with that body. Mommy, you got it. Mommy, you got it, looking excited with that body. Mommy, you got it, yeah. Baby is surrounded by perfection, by perfection. From the way she does her hair to her complexion. I'm needing her in my direction, so she can add me to her collection. Imagine her body on mine, body on mine. I need her to need me tonight. Mommy, you got it, looking excited with that body. Oh, mommy, you got it, yeah. Mommy, you got it, you got it. Looking excited, excited with that body. Mommy, you got it, yeah. Got it, yeah. Mommy got it, ain't nobody in here like her. Super sexy Cubana from Havana, and the night's hers. Beautiful skin, she's a 10, and ain't no stopping it, no photoshopping, no filter needed. She got a lock on it. Everywhere she go, it's like a red carpet is following. Hotter than Tahiti, take my breath away, no oxygen. I'm just trying to get her to come over, Red Rover, so we can get no sleep for a week. Baby, you got it, and I want it. Looking excited with that body. Mommy, you got it, yeah. Mommy, you got it, looking excited with that body. Mommy, you got it, yeah. Mommy, imagine her body on mine. I need her to need me tonight, yeah, tonight.
All right, guys. So got that trimmed all the way up. Still need to caulk any cracks and things like that, but if you didn't see it, I basically used some liquid nail adhesive and then just kind of tacked it in with some finished nails, some 1 1/4 inch finished nails, just to kind of hold it in place. So anyway, that's one side. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and kind of set up, and then we'll do some caulking. But in the meantime, this needs to be sanded up there so that can be touched up. And then I'm gonna take care of this foam that I put on here to fill those cracks and get that kind of straightened up as well. So let's get to that. Hey, so I'd never really used that foam, spray foam stuff before. It was pretty easy to clean up and like to cut. A little bit of sandpaper on there cleans it up really good, and then it's ready to be finished. So pretty happy with that. All right, so a couple things. One, I'm looking for new music. So to make a long story short, I was getting my music from a website that said all the music was free and that it was not copyrighted and all those things, and you could use them in your videos. Well, I found out that that's only true until the artist of that song decides that they want to copyright that song. So anyway, if you play an instrument or sing, if you compose your own original music, I don't care what kind of music it is, no cuss words, or anything like that, but send me an email. I'll put my email in the description of this video. Send me an email and let me know. So in this video, comes the music that is in this video comes from a gentleman named Chris Corvino. And I know him well because he's my brother. He's got music out on Spotify. I think he's got one album out there. He also has possibly some unreleased stuff and some new stuff that he may get out there on Spotify. But hey, take a listen. If you like it, it's got kind of more of a like an R&B type of vibe to it. So check it out. If you need more information for him, maybe about purchasing some of his music or anything like that, let me know and I'll get you in touch with him. All right, so got all the foam cut, and like I said, it's pretty easy to work with. Worked pretty nice. So now we're gonna go ahead and caulk there on the landing where the baseboards are and get that done, and also up and down the stairs there where we put that trim. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Got the handrail cleaned up, sanded, touched up the paint on that. I think it looks pretty good. I think this turned out pretty good up here, just having this little break right there. And then got the trim caulked all the way down. So it looks pretty good. I'm going to do the same exact thing here on the other side. So every day, we're getting a little bit closer to being done. This project is way behind schedule. So anyway, that's going to be it for today. And elephants, herd of elephants up there. That'll be it for today, and we're going to get back on it hopefully tomorrow. That's life in Missouri. Later.